The mint julep is a refreshing cocktail most commonly associated with the southern United States, especially as the signature drink of the Kentucky Derby. You will need the following ingredients: 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, plus extra sprigs for garnish, 2 teaspoons sugar, granulated ½ ounce water, cold 2½ ounces bourbon, crushed ice. For equipment you will need julep cup or rocks glass, muddler, bar spoon, jigger. Here are the instructions. Place mint leaves and sugar in the bottom of the glass. Add water and use the muddler to gently bruise the mint leaves, releasing their oils. Fill the glass halfway with crushed ice and pour in the bourbon. Stir the mixture until the glass is frosty. Fill the rest of the glass with more crushed ice and garnish with a sprig of mint. The mint julep has been the official drink of the Kentucky Derby for nearly a century, with almost 120,000 served over the two-day event each year.